Thank you, Mr. President. I think as the body knows, we lost a great guy last Thursday to cancer at a way too young age, 61. I know there's a lot of fond memories of the senator from the 6th, Senator Vogel. He is, I've said a couple of times, he's the fabric of our community. I probably should have said he was kind of the safety blanket of our community. He was very well known, very involved in everything that you can imagine that a small business person would be involved in, including his extension into his public service, which he did for 12 years in the House and 8 years here in the Senate. I know that there are many fond memories. People have been calling me all weekend telling me about their memory of this and their memory of Carl this. I would just ask, there are some details coming forward for the members of the body who would like to attend the service on Wednesday morning. But I could go on forever. I don't think I could probably make it too much further. I would just ask that, the members of this body and in this building keep Kim, his wife, and Jake and Kristen, his son and daughter, in their prayers. And Mr. President, I would request a Senate give Senator Vogel a moment of silence.
Let's have a moment of silence. Thank you, Senator. Thank you all.